Today's adventure brings us out to Groveland, Florida, just outside of Orlando. We're at the BackWoods Family Farm. So with a fun name like that, what do they have? We're gonna check it out, so join us. Hey there, cowpoke. Are you chicken poke?
No.
Oh, you want to take your... You want to look at the chicken?
All the delicious food, fresh baked bread. Oh yeah, we're getting one of these. Pina colada pound cake. So you can see the ingredients that are in a pina colada pound cake. Looks really good.
Like today I don't have a whole lot of baked goods because this morning I had to go get more produce because we sold so much over the last few days. So, and you make all of this? All the bread and the...
We're getting one of those pound cake things. That looks really good.
But you make this? Yes, I make all the bread and all the bath stuff. That's all. Did I make the pina colada pound cake? Oh yeah. It looks...
Yeah, no, it looked too
a
good.
little blog, so we're showing.
I already did it. I already showed.
We just do it later.
Here we go.
The parks are so expensive.
Lots and lots of goodies. All right, we got red potatoes for tonight. Yeah. You want a watermelon?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get you one then. As fresh as they get. Eggs, $6 for 18. From right here, pasture raised. We've got pigs, geese. Let's see what else that we can find to give a snack to. So the snack bags are only $1 a bag. And evidently she was telling us that pigs, they get too fat sometimes and they don't see really well. So.
You want to feed it?
You want to hold this?
Yeah.
Say, hey, piggy. Oh. Say, hey, Mr. Piggy. Nom, nom, nom.
I like that carrot.
Watch out, goose. You can't eat a carrot. No, no, back away, piggy.
Here, goose. There you go. Oh, now we're going to be bombarded by geese.
And geese are mean. I gotta watch out for the geese. That's one thing that chased me when I was younger at the lake, was geese. They're behind us. Playground area right now, still open. So bring your sanitizer, have fun. You can still pretend like it's normal. But lots of fun stuff to be able to enjoy. Where we grew up, obviously you were out with animals and in farms and stuff all the time. So just kind of feels like you're back home. Josie, do you like the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're on our way to the petting zoo portion. So $1 a bag for all the food. Now you can go through and feed the animals. Hey, hold Daddy's hand. Yeah, you see the chickens? Come with Daddy. Yeah, hi chickens. Oh, it's another piggy.
If you look at the chicken. Do you want to feed this? Do you want to feed this little piggy?
Yeah.
Hey, piggy.
No, your mom said that they have trouble seeing the pigs.
Hey, let's go over here. Let's learn about the goats and the emus. So So we've got some fact sheets learning about goats. The new goat here in Florida, over 210 breeds of goats. I had no idea that there were that many with that. And coffee discovered by goat herders. So thank you, goat herders, for finding coffee all those years ago. And emu, I don't know if this is true or not, but I know going to football games, the gigantic turkey legs, supposedly emu. So let's see what that looks like today. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff.
Right, they're feeding the horse than you get to.
Hey, Mr. Emu.
Be careful.
We've got an emu. He's gonna take it straight out of the bag. Whoa!
That one's a little scary.
He'll come up on you quick.
Good gracious. Yeah. You want to watch your fingers flash before your eyes. There you go.
That one's not caring.
Yeah.
Be very careful. Put your
You gonna
hands. I'm gonna hold her.
I'm in a sec.
Oh,
Oh.
thank you.
Hey, Mr. Piggy.
I think he wants lettuce.
Oh.
Nope. That's a little hog right there.
Oh, it ate an entire carrot. It didn't even. It just like threw its head up.
Oh my God. That's
Yeah. Your life flashes before your eyes when they dart for food.
I'm a little scared.
Yeah.
the smaller, short one. She looks like the one that's pregnant, but she's
Yeah, this one's pregnant, right?
yeah, the taller one.
And so that's chili, and then what one is that
That
one?
one's shrinking.
Cute. Did you all name them?
We didn't name them because they already had fitting names.
Oh.
So we're like, okay.
I like this one. Hey. You want to look at him? Look at the little baby. Oh, mommy. Well, the chickens will eat that.
They don't look shit.
You want to feed the baby? You want to feed him the carrot?
He's like, nope.
Come here.
You eat this one? Yeah.
Look at that. You gotta be careful. Oh.
Oh, there's a goat now.
Oh, hey, little. Here, Andy. You want to feed it?
Yeah, I'll feed the goat.
Try to take this back from her.
Hey, Billy. Hey there, Billy boy. You back away. Back away, bird. It's for the Billy goat. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah, we gotta watch. What's your favorite animal?
Eat your fruit. And Piggy, yeah, he's decided cantaloupes for him.
Did you have fun, baby girl?
Yeah.
Hey Josie, tell everybody how much fun you had feeding the animals.
Did you get to see a pig and a goat, Josie?
Yeah.
Yeah, and an emu too.
And chickens.
And miniature horses.
More than that.
Yeah, there's more chickens right there. Wow, so you guys got to see as we fed the pigs, the horses, the emus, the geese, everything. The chickens, we're taking over everything. So if you get a chance to make it out, I want to make sure to encourage you to know that obviously I'm not wearing a mask out here like I normally am in the parks. Not required in this county, but they do make sure that everybody's staying safe. As you enter in, if you're wanting to have some of the produce, The produce area is only one family at a time, so they make sure to maintain social distancing with that. Obviously, you're having to use the sanitizer before you come in. You're having to make sure that you're keeping proper distance from everybody while you're outside. So the petting zoo area, we were more than 6 feet away from the neighboring family. They had hand washing stations once you were done. So we really enjoyed being able to get out and get to experience some of nature, enjoy the beauty, even though the thunderstorm is rolling in as we're getting ready to wrap up here. But I want to thank everybody that helped us out today. As we came out, we grabbed some fantastic fresh produce, some fresh baked goods that we're going to share how those are tasting later. And then we enjoyed as a family just being able to have some time away, not in the parks, not having to worry about anything, that we could just enjoy ourselves. So thank you from the BackWoods Family Farm.